na pwede masisigo ba't ganto? Ginaganapan ko lang na natural, tsaka inagapang.
Yes sir! Let's go! GoPro is holding up. Should be good though. All that drag though, like right here. Anyways, what do you guys think of the new intro? What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing today? Right now it's not too hot, not too cold. It's just the right temperature. But the air quality is dookie because all the wildfire in Canada, they get pushed up here in the East Coast. That's why it looks foggy. But it's not fog. Obviously, it's like midday already. You can see in the horizon, that's all smoke. Air quality index, I think it's at like 150. Was actually worse like, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago, something like that. Almost 300, where you can actually smell the smoke. That's how bad it was. But yeah, anyways, man, how do you guys like the intro? Leave a comment down below letting me know how the intro was. Oh, I gotta go there. I haven't been there. Anyways, that intro, I filmed it yesterday. I filmed and edited for like maybe an hour. I did it by myself because I couldn't take the bike out and ride. So I just, took the chance to film an intro. So now the channel has an intro. However, I have like one problem, because I put a background music on it, obviously. And now it's like well, it's not a copyright claim, but it just, YouTube just detected it that, it has copyrights. So now my question is, can I still use that music on my intro while there's like that? I don't know. I don't want my channel to have all these strikes and all of a sudden they delete my channel. Guy on a bike. Psych, now he might get mad. Okay, now that we got that taken care of, what do you guys think of the new point of view right here? Now we got a front camera right here. New GoPro mount. I mean, I just stuck it down there. Special request from my boy JC. Shout out to you, guy. Shout out to you, my boy. Oh, that's tough. Damn, look at all that smoke. That's crazy. Yeah, see, if I was riding with group, we'd be in front right now. I won't be waiting for that red light. I mean, wouldn't be waiting in line. But since I'm alone, just chill out. But yeah, this new GoPro. It should be nice. I actually like this view, like facing this way, better than the one in the back. Imagine I just cut that up and that's a cop. That'd be crazy. I think I'm gonna keep it here from now on, in the front rather than the back, because this view is actually, like I said, much better. I don't see any bikers because I think I'm the only crazy one that's riding in this air quality. Like I said, that GoPro finna fly away. Bump there. Pangit! Oh shit! Filipino right here. His plate says Pangit. That means ugly in Tagalog. Cool guy, you know, I give him the smoke right now, dust that thing. That's sexy. Guy. Oh, what the heck? Fuck all that. What's up, bro? What's up, you Filipino? Yeah. I saw the plate. That's tough, bro. I wanted to get a run. Where you going? That way? Alright, I'm gonna go in front of you. Alright. Thank you. No? Oh, he said on the bridge. He's smiling like shit. Next thing you know, this built like single turbo type shit. Yeah, that wasn't even a clean run, man. Aw. Man, I wanted a clean run.
Oh, my clutch is slipping.
Oh, I see. That's clean, bro. Like the fitment. Is it cool if I put it on YouTube? Alright. Alright, bro. I'll catch you, boss. So, like 3 days ago, I uploaded a TikTok. I uploaded that TikTok 3 days ago, and I was able to get like I think 50 new subscribers. So shout out to everybody that's supporting. It means a lot. You know, the goal is still at 1,000 so we can get monetized. But I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that supports the channel. Not just the channel, but also the TikTok page. Yeah, they're going crazy on TikTok. Now imagine if everybody that subbed on TikTok, I mean that followed me on TikTok, subbed on YouTube. Oh my god. I think I gained like 2,000 followers on, okay, nah, I'm exaggerating, not 2,000, like 1,000 on TikTok. Now if everybody subbed, everybody who followed subbed, that would be crazy. I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that supports the channel. Means a lot. And hopefully we can make this bike content work. This was a fun, quick ride. Just went around, enjoyed the weather a little bit, even though the air quality is trash. Still enjoy every single time I'm on this bike, or every time I'm riding in general. But yeah, if you guys liked today's video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Send it to everybody that you know. It'll help the channel grow, you know. And like I said, I'm thankful for every single person that supports the channel.